Hi guys, this is gsndon.com and I'm here with curiosity. Is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. I'm curious why they made it, because they already made the Flip 7. Okay, so we have it in white here, but there's also a version available in black. It's actually quite shiny. I'm actually shocked to see that it's equally shiny. Usually they should have made it something like matte black or something like that. Pretty elegant, by the way. I haven't seen a glossy model like this. Anyway, let's get straight to it. So it resembles the Z Flip 6. It's a reincarnation of the Z Flip 6. It measures 6.9 millimeters in thickness when opened up like this, and weighs 187 grams. When closed up, it's 14.9 millimeters in thickness, once again reminding me of the last year model. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the back side, an aluminum frame, aeronautic aluminum, IP48 certification, which is present on both models, or all three of them, Fold 7, Flip 7, Flip7 FE. So yeah, it can be sunk in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. At the inside, it has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. LTPO, it drops down to 1 Hz and goes up to 120 Hz, while the Flip 7 has 6.9 inches, so this one is a bit smaller. While the external screen has stayed like the Flip 6 at 3.4 inches, and it's of the AMOLED variety. Only 60 Hz this time, 1600 nits of brightness, so it's quite bright. And inside there's a curiosity of a processor, Exynos 2400. You saw that before on the Galaxy S24 series. The core models had this Exynos 2400. It's a deca-core processor, 10 cores, and the phone also delivers 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. By the way, it starts from 999 euros. I hope I understood correctly, although 899 would have been better. It has UFS 4.0 storage and a 10 megapixel camera, selfie cam cut in the screen. If you go to the back side, we have a combo of 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel, not very different from what we're getting on the Flip 7 and Flip 6. So basically 50 megapixel optical image stabilization and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now, the battery has stayed at 4000 mAh like the Flip 6 yet again, and we have an USB-C 3.2 port at the bottom side. It charges at 25 watts via wire, 15 watts wireless, and you have all the AI goodness here. We have your circle to search available here. You can also keep the screen, keep the power button pressed to trigger Gemini. Gemini Live is part of the package, and I'm pretty sure you can also trigger Gemini from the external screen and use it like this. Pretty much would be a selling point for the Flip 7 thanks to that large screen. Now, aside from that, there's a novelty when it comes to AI in the photo department. So you go here to the gallery, and for example, if you have a photo of your dog, you can press the AI button here, and you can turn it into a portrait. You can extract the doggo, select it from here, make it a 3D cartoon, and just generate it and extract it from the pic. Takes longer than the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 on account of the older processor. It may be older, but it's not that old. Apparently, we should have here versions of color like yellow, silver shadow, mint, blue, black, white, and peach. I may be wrong. The phone has just been launched here, and actually love the fisheye effect that you're getting here. So basically, this is the reincarnation of the Z Flip 6. I'm pretty sure that it's a rebranded Z Flip 6 that replaces the Snapdragon with an Exynos. This is the original Labrador, and this is the original, and this is the lab, and this is the lab with a cute fisheye. Okay, that's it in a nutshell. Basically a way of selling off a replacement for the Flip 6 with some of the smart AI of the Z Flip 7. That's it from gsndon.com. Be sure to tell in the comments which version of color do you enjoy more, the black or the white.